Current transformer. Whenever you listen to this word, then you think that what a current transformer? Like transformer is transformer. What is this thing? Then yes, my friend, the transformer which transform current from high value to low value or low value to high value is called as current transformer. Welcome to my YouTube channel Thakar Ki Pathshala, and you are watching first part of this video series current transformer. And in this video series, I will talk about different thing on current transformer. This video is basically like an introductory video to current transformer. In upcoming video, I will talk in deep about different topics like burden, error, magnetization curve in current transformer. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, then hit that subscribe button as well as that bell icon so you don't miss those videos. So first of all, very basic question, what is current transformer? I have actually answered this in the starting, but I will repeat in more technical term. A current transformer is basically a device which can step up or step down current. Means it can increase or decrease output current in accordance to or as per change in the input current. Now another question will hit in your mind that why on planet Earth we need to step up or step down current? We are already stepping up and down voltage and we are totally fine with it. Then my friend, we need to do this because whenever we are working with very high power line, then associated current will be very high. Our normal ammeter and protective relaying circuit simply can't handle that much of high current. So in order to measure high current and also to use different relays and whatnot, we need to step down it logically. Now sooner or later the third question will hit in your minds that how it actually works. Let's take a look at construction and principle on which current transformer work. In this figure, the general construction of current transformer is shown. As any other transformer, it also consists two winding, primary and secondary. It transfers energy from one side to another side with suitable change in level of current or voltage. A current transformer basically has primary winding consisting of one or more turn of wire of heavy cross-sectional area. Like you can see in this picture, in some cases, the bar carrying high current may act as primary. Primary of current transformer is connected in series with the line carrying high current. The secondary of transformer is made up by large number of turn of fine wire having small cross-sectional area. They are usually rated for 5 ampere. Working principle of current transformer is same as all other transformer. Current transformer is step-up transformer if we look from voltage point of view. As per this famous equation, if voltage gets step up, so the value of current will be step down. From current point of view, this is step down transformer. I think you must know this equation for transformer. I1 divided by I2 is equal to N2 divided by N1. Here I1 and I2 are primary and secondary current. N2 and N1 are the number of turn for primary and secondary winding. In the current transformer, the number of secondary turns are very high in comparison to primary. If we look at this equation, then we can easily understand that the secondary current will be lower than the primary current. Sometimes manufacturer indicate current ratio for representing the range of transformer. For example, consider a 500:5 range. Then it indicates that this transformer step down current from primary to secondary by ratio of 500:5. Is that if we measure 5 ampere current on secondary side, then there should be 500 ampere flowing from main circuit. Now let's quickly look at some of use of this transformer. First and foremost use is measuring high current flowing from the circuit. Also it is used in protection system to supply current to relays. It also provides an isolation between high current and low current circuit. Current transformer generally comes in three types. First one is wound type, second one is bar type, and third one is window or toroidal type. If I will explain them all here, then this video will be very long. In upcoming part, I will talk about error, burden, different type of current transformer, accuracy, magnetization curve, and lot more. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button along with that bell icon so you don't miss those videos. Like it if you liked it, share it with your friends, and if I have missed something or you want me to cover something in upcoming video, then comment it down below. So that's it for now. We will meet in my next video.